In the matter of G.E.B.E, I know that there's a lot of questions. There are a lot of questions circulating. As I mentioned before, government had taken its resolution. The special representative and temporary manager has been appointed. He has also gone through the process with the supervisory board to be officially acting in that function. As you know, they are the ones that would have to sign contracts and the like, and all of that now has been completed. And I believe his start was yesterday. So we're looking forward to gathering the necessary information. As you know, I'm also scheduled to go back to Parliament. However, information has still not been forthcoming to be able to do so. And I am awaiting then. I'm going to give him at least a week the time to be able to gather the necessary information and the answers to the questions. And of course, continue to keep the lights on. As he will have to ensure that the management continues, that we are getting up to date with the billing, etc. And I do take this time to encourage the people of St. Martin to continue to pay on a monthly basis if you have not received a bill as yet, and especially for those who have received bills, to start to pay to avoid any problems. Of course, the management, the temporary management will ensure to properly update the public. As you know, some other deadlines had been set forth as to how that would work. But of course, we do not want to move over to anyone having to lose power or water. So please ensure that you've made contact with the customer service department to be able to make payments on your bill.